We'll guide you on how to convert your YouTube video into a short, so make sure you don't miss any step. Open up the YouTube app you have installed on your phone, and on the right bottom of your screen you will see the U button where you're logged in with your channel's email. On the top you will see Home, Videos, Shorts. We want to navigate to Videos. Now here just go ahead and play the video you want to convert it into a short. Let me play one of them. On this page you see the share button on the right side. Just go ahead and click on the share button and you will get several options to share your video. At the bottom you will see remix option. Go ahead and tap on remix. The next option we want to go to is edit into a short. Let's open edit into a short. Here I have option to change my short video timing. Sometimes you will also have the option to change your video to 15 or 60-second maximum. Once editing timeline is done, go ahead and click on done button. Now it will take few moments to process your short video. Now at this point you will have some more option to edit your video. Now at the right side of your screen you will have some option to edit your video. At the top you see you could go ahead and add text, you could add effects, filters, stickers, and even you could add caption and your voiceover, and the last option you have to save this short to your device. Here I am not going to test all of them as this is an example video, and let's suppose my short is edited and I am ready to click on the next button. Now at this point you could see if you click on the pencil button on the top left, you will be able to select the attractive thumbnail for your video. Alright, once you are done with selecting your thumbnail, on the top right you could see just go ahead and click on this tick mark. Once your thumbnail is set, just go ahead and add title for your video. For example, I could add ITPK short video example. You could also go ahead and add stunning and high rank thumbnail for your video. Once done with the thumbnail, and here you have an option to set the visibility. You could set directly posted to public now, unlisted, private, and the last option we have is schedule. You could also go ahead and schedule your short video according to your posting time requirement. Now if you click on show more, here you have a lot of options to be selected. You could go ahead, add the description, location in the related video. You could just select the video that is related to your current short video. Next, just go ahead and select the playlist that is related to your current short video. Once done with all of them, go ahead and tap on upload short. Now once your short gets uploaded, you could come to short tab, and here you will see the progress for your short. So that's it about today's quick video on how to turn your YouTube videos into a short. Thanks for watching ITPK, and I will see you in the next one.